Hello everyone, it's Hanny with the last Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge, number 1990, and the prompt is cheers, and I'm going to make a tag, and this is the last one, not only of 2021, but I'm quitting the challenge. I've done it 2 years now, and well, I think it's enough. I want to thank everyone who participated in my challenge. I loved all the contributions. But enough is enough, and I'm not quitting crafting, of course, and I will try to make more videos. But I have a lot of projects lying on my shelf, and I want to finish them. And I want to have a little break, perhaps, I'm not sure. But I will stop this challenge and maybe I think of something else. I don't know yet. But thanks everyone for participating, and well, let's make the last one. And the prompt is cheers. And well, I suppose I could find a lot of cheers stuff nowadays. It's December, it's Christmas, it's, well, papers and flyers and all kinds of magazines you read. Well, it's all Christmas thingies. Well, I'm going to speed up this video again. I'm trying to make something with this stuff. I have again 2 memory cards. They are a bit thick. Maybe I'm going to use one now. And I have this. I like this stuff. I think they are for card making, something like that. Because well, it's the same picture, but you can make them 3D. I don't know which one I'm going to use, so I will get them out. All 4. This is no. Oh, this is one too. Well, I'm not going to think I'm going to use that. This is a nice one too. So I'll speed up again and enjoy watching. Oh yeah, and I want to wish you a very, very, very fine, healthy, happy 2022. Bye.